vocabulary. Types and textures of everyday substances.
What's the word for this?
Salt.
What's the word for that?
Crystal grains.
What is this called?
Powder.
What is that called?
Gel, often called goop or goo. Gooey goo.
What do you call this?
Jelly, commonly called jam when it's a food.
What do you call that?
Liquid, clear liquid.
What's the word for this?
Liquefied soap.
What's the word for that?
Spray.
What do you call this?
Gas. In everyday life, the gases we're most likely to find are referred to as smoke or fumes.
What's the word for this?
Cream.
What's the word for that?
Liquid cream.
What do you call this?
Solid cream.
What do you call that?
Oil.
What is this called?
Butter.
What is that called?
Metal.
What's the word for this?
Paper.
What's the word for that?
Glass.
What do you call this?
Plastic.
What do you call that?
Fabric.
In American English, fabric is commonly referred to as
Material.
hear it.
Salt.
Now try it. Hear it.
Crystal grains.
Now try it.
Gel. Jelly. Jam. Liquid. Clear liquid. Liquefied soap. Spray. Gas. Smoke. Fumes. Cream. Liquid cream. Solid cream. Oil. Butter. Metal. Paper. Glass. Plastic. Fabric. Material.
What's the word for this? What's the word for that? What do you call this? What do you call that? What is this called? What is that called?
Learning English is so fun. See you next time.